Okay, in this video I'm going to go and show you how to create a fake file size. What you'll pretty much do is get any file, whether it be a document, audio, video, executable, what have you, and alter the file size to make it appear larger than it actually is. And it's not going to affect the contents, it'll run as it would at any other time. It's just so you can get like it has a variety of uses. Say you have a video like a Rickroll or something, and you want to make it seem like a actual movie and send it to your friend, make it more convincing. You can change the file size from say 30 megabytes to 600 megabytes with it still function as normally would. I'm going to go and show you how to do that right now. First thing you'll want to do is open up your internet browser, and once in your internet browser you want to download a Hex Editor, a free one. And so for that, we're going to go to this page right here. It's going to be www.hhdsoftware.com. I'll provide the link in the description. And we'll go to Downloads and Free Hex Editor Neo. And from here, we can just download the program and let it install. So once it's done downloading and installed, we want to go ahead and launch it. And we'll have an interface similar to this. It may prompt you for different predefined layouts, but either way, it should still function normally. What we're going to do with this program is we're going to actually add null hexadecimal values to the end of the actual file. And every program you have consists of hexadecimal and so forth. It's just broken down. It's kind of a user-friendly interpretation of binary. And what we're going to do is, let's go ahead and, for example's sake, create a new file here. And we're going to just create a new test document, name it test. Bring it up here. As you can see, this is a completely empty document. It has nothing in it, and it's shown as 0 bytes. So once you have the program created, we can import it into our hex editor, and from here we can input hexadecimal values. 00 would be the null value. Null serves no purpose, it doesn't affect the program at all, but it does add size to the file. So if we create just 2 here, and we go to File, Save, and then we view this document, we'll now see it's 2 bytes. So every one of these hexadecimal values is equal to a byte. So if we wanted this to be, say, 1 kilobyte, then that'd be 1024 bytes. And from there, megabytes would be 1024 kilobytes, so that'd be 1,048,576 bytes. And gigabytes, the conversion rate's 1,073,741,824 bytes. But that aside, there's a simpler way to do it rather than doing all that math. Say we want this text document, this blank text document, to be about, say, 10 megabytes. So from here we can just go to Edit and then change file size, and from here we can just select megabyte and we just make it 1. And you'll see here it does the conversion for you. It's going to input all those hexadecimal values. You just click OK, and now we have all these null sets right here. If you just File, Save, and then view the properties of this file, we'll see it's now 1 megabyte. And you don't have to do it that way. You can do it manually as well. If you just want it to be a specific amount, you can just input them yourself and just add characters. So save properties, and we'll see it's up by 1. Now, say we want to do an actual file though, not just a blank file, like a movie file. Here's a video of me, just some silly video I made of me, not doing anything really. But say I want to just cloak it as a movie file. I want to tell my friend it's a new release of something that's still in theaters. So I can just drag and drop it in here. You'll see the actual hexadecimal coding right here. You don't want to mess with any of that. But what we can do is we can just go to Edit. Actually, let's first view the file size. Right click in Properties. We'll see this is 2.94 megabytes. So if you cancel that and then go to Edit, change file size, and I want this to be about the average size of a RIP movie. So let's go with about 700 megabytes. And you'll see the actual conversion right there, how many bytes we're going to put in input. Hit OK. And we'll see it puts all those null bytes at the end of the file here. And these right here are just memory addresses. You don't have to worry about that. Save. And it's going to finish saving it here. Once it's done save, you can just right click, go to Properties. And you'll see it's 700 megabytes, the size of an average movie. So I can just rename this and send it to someone, change the thumbnail if I want. And if I go to run it, it'll still load at exactly the same time frame, show the same thing, and function fully. So that is how you change the size of a file, and hope y'all enjoy.
Mushroom Headbangers, subscribe or, well, die.